Hello Ryker owners, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our SSV Works and MadStad windshield adapter plate from Thermal R&D. Two of our most popular selling Ryker products have been the SSV Works Bluetooth audio system and our MadStad adjustable windshield. And well, up until now, those two amazing mods couldn't be run on the same Ryker, as they both utilize the same mounting location. Well, that's all about to change thanks to the team over at Thermal R&D. We now have a billet aluminum adapter plate made right here in the USA that allows for both the SSV Works audio system and MadStad windshield to work in perfect harmony, giving you the best of both worlds. Now, once the adapter is installed, you'll notice an immediate increase in audio volume while riding thanks to the use of your MadStad windshield. You'll also have unobstructed access to the glove box when the windshield is in its highest position, as we'll still be able to use the forward and back tilt adjustments. And finally, there's a threaded hole front and center to allow you to run an optional ram mount tough ball that's perfect for running things like our ram mount phone holder. Now we're going to start off the installation as if you already have the SSV Works audio system installed, but if that's not the case and you need a walkthrough on how to install the SSV system, you'll find a link in the description below on how to do that. Start by removing the two Phillips head screws on the back of the unit. Then unscrew these two on the front to remove that back cover. Then unscrew these four torque screws holding the unit in place. So that you can insert the new thermal adapter and mount it up in the same location using the new included hardware. Now you'll notice that there's some pretty intricate CNC work on the back side of the adapter. These channels are to allow the audio system wiring to be safely tucked behind the bracket. Please make sure not to pinch any stereo wires when installing the adapter in place. Then simply install the MadStad aluminum spools on the side, finger tight for now. Attach the windshield. Flip up the locks. And then tighten down the spools the rest of the way, making sure not to over tighten. And that's it, folks. You're now rocking and blocking wind at the same time, creating the ideal riding environment. Now, if running both the MadStad windshield and the SSV Works audio system is something you'd like on your Ryker, then be sure to head on over to Slingmods.com today and grab an adapter plate for your Ryker. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date with everything Ryker. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.